Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike. If you were fired, reduced, or you just want to generate basic income, the best option for you will be to start freelancing. Within 3 or 4 weeks, you will be able to start your way to financial freedom. Let's begin. According to a report by one of the biggest freelance agencies, Upwork, 62% of hiring managers think that their workforce will be more remote in the future, and 3 in 4 of them will increase their engagements with freelancers. The first in-demand and popular skill is designer. There are a lot of variations of design. You can do motion design, you can do graphic design, you can design apps and websites. To start, you just basically need to have knowledge in such apps as Adobe XD, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Figma, and etc. You can start your way to design by watching YouTube tutorials and online courses, as well as reading books and watching to works of others. Well, you just need creativity and a laptop to start your way into design. The second sphere is copywriting. There are a lot of vacancies open for this position. For this one, you just need grammar skills, vocabulary skills, and creative mindset. You can start by writing info for websites and end up being a real journalist. You just need a laptop, an internet, and a bit of creativity. The third one is the toughest one, programming. If you will master this skill, it would be a real game changer for you, because technology nowadays is everywhere. It's hard to imagine successful business without an app or a website, and nowadays there are, I think, more vacancies than ever before connected to programming. You can start to learn programming by watching YouTube tutorials, by downloading online courses. You need to understand that this one will actually take time, and to become a real programmer you will need to have a lot of dedication to this and to spend a lot of your time working and learning. The fourth one is marketing. Many companies have lost their employees, customers and profits during the pandemic, and they will start to recover as soon as possible. And for this, they will need great ideas and great people for these ideas. To start, you need to master basic fundamentals and concepts of marketing. And of course, you should have creative mindset. The fifth sphere, translation. For this one, obviously, you should know foreign languages. And good translators always was in a great demand. You can translate some short texts, you can translate videos, you can write subtitles to videos, you can work as a freelancer as well as you can find a real job in a company. The sixth one is tutoring. And if you think that you have nothing to share, I guess you're wrong, because there are a lot of open vacancies just from people that don't know how to use their computer, or from people. For example, if you know how to play musical instruments, you can teach somebody to play them as well by video chatting with them, or just selling your products that you can actually create, some online courses. You can write short articles about how to do things and to publish them. The last one for today is photo and video editing. I think this one is really popular right now because the amount of content has increased during the past years. All content creators need to wrap up and to present their products and information well. For this one, they will need video editors and photo editors. Guess how you can start with this one? Of course, watching YouTube tutorials. YouTube have become the universal tool for learning everything. So feel free to watch tutorials and courses on this one. That's it for today. I hope you've made a step further to become a freelancer. Feel free to press the like button and to subscribe to my channel, and please write in the comments below which sphere and topic interested you the most. I have a lot to share with you. Goodbye.